Hello everyone, Matt here with Torque King. Today we are showcasing the TK40587 Torque King Dana 60 30 spline rear axle shaft for 1994 to 2002 Dodge Ram 2500 4x4 or 4x2 trucks with gas V8 engines. These Dana rear axles are extra strong, fully hardened, made right here in the USA from high performance alloy steel. Let's go over a couple tech notes. All 1994 to 2002 Ram 2500 trucks with Dana 60 rear axles use the same axle shafts, and both the left and right axle shafts are the same length. Therefore, the TK40587 fits either the left or right side. If your axle shaft splines are worn, which is a common occurrence, chances are the differential side gear splines are also worn. Installing a new axle shaft in worn gears will result in accelerated axle shaft spline wear, which is not covered by our parts warranty. For more tech notes and applications of this part, as well as where to purchase for your own rig, visit our website at TorqueKing.com. Hey there friends, we sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web at the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and a comment on what you saw. Let us know if you want to see a different product featured here. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new content. We have new content coming out every week. We appreciate having you along while we grow this channel. Thanks for watching and good luck keeping your rig on the road.